Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is illustrations of Newton's third law of motion or examples of Newton's third law of motion. So first example is when a ball is dropped from some height, here is the ball, it rebounds after striking against the floor. So this line is floor. So when a ball is dropped from some height, अगर इस बॉल त्रो कुन हाइट पे करो ड्रॉप अश पता ये कुन सरफेस बेवान गसान रिबाउंड्स आफ्टर स्ट्राइकिंग अगेंस्ट द फ्लोर. So when ball strikes against the floor, it exerts a force on the floor. That force is known as action. So according to Newton's third law of motion, the floor exerts an equal and opposite force known as reaction. So that means the floor will exert a reaction force on the ball. Due to this reaction, the ball rebounds. So the question arises, why does not the ball rebounds? As we know, the mass of the ball is very less. So that means the acceleration of the ball will be more. Similarly, the second example is this walking of a man. When a person walks on the ground, so when a person walks on the ground, he pushes the ground with his foot in the backward direction by pressing the ground. So he exerts the force like this by pressing the ground. This push is known as action force F. So this is the action force F exerted by the foot of the man on the ground. According to Newton's third law of motion, an equal and opposite reaction force, this R is the reaction force, acts on the foot of the person. Now this reaction force, we can divide this reaction force into two components. One is the vertical component, other is the horizontal component. This vertical component will balance the weight, and this horizontal component helps person to move in the forward direction. So that means this reaction force, how this person walks, this reaction force is resolved into two components. One is the vertical component and other is the horizontal component. This vertical component balances the weight of the person, and this horizontal component helps the person to move in the forward direction. Now here the earth also moves backward when the foot of the man presses it, but the motion of the earth is so small that we cannot detect it. This is because the mass of the earth is very large, and hence acceleration produced in it due to the force of push is negligible. That is very small. Another example is this swimming. While swimming, a man pushes water backward with his hand. This he pushes the water. This force is the water in the backward direction. This force is the action force. This force is the action force. The reaction force offered by the water to man push him forward. This water exerts the reaction force, and this person moves in the forward direction. Similarly, launching of a rocket is the other example of Newton's third law of motion. The gases produced in the combustion chamber of a rocket engine come out of the rear of the rocket in the downward direction. The reaction of these gases push the engine in the upward direction. Similarly, book is kept on a table. We know a book lying on a table exerts a force on the table which is equal to the weight of the book. So इस पर इस book था वो एकis टेबलस पे यस ये book च यश त्रावान force कस पेटन टेबलस पे. So force is बराबर equal to the weight of the book. This यस ये force अथ force हेको इस तल वना action force. यस table च ये support करम book कित पर करे support by exerting an equal force on the book. This is the force of reaction. Since the book is observed to be at rest, the net external force on it must be zero. This implies that the normal reaction must be equal and opposite to the weight of the book. Similarly, it is difficult to drive a nail into a wooden block without holding the block. So when we strike the nail with a hammer without holding the block, the nail and the wooden block both move forward as one system. On the other hand, if the block is rested against a support, then the reaction of the support keeps the block in position and the nail is driven in when struck by the hammer. So these are the examples of Newton's third law of motion. So this was our topic today. So more examples which is gasan ye clear ki for every action there is an equal and for every action there is equal and opposite reaction force. That means forces always exist in pairs. Thanks.